Hello, my name is Anton Kamaev, and we are at iRidi stand at ISE 2023, and we demonstrate our new product, which is called KNX ProAV processor, which is actually here. The main idea of this product is that you are using it for control purpose, but it has lots of interfaces on board, which means you can connect many multimedia systems such as projectors, matrix switchers and other, and it also has KNX on board, so it means you can combine it with automation. It's normally used for conference halls, meeting rooms, museums and something like this, and it's about to be released pretty soon, so here we demonstrate it for early comers, and it will be published soon on our website, iridi.com, so you'll be able to find more information about it. Thanks so much.